orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Water shortage. Monty loved his new cycle very much. He used to wash it every day and keep it shining. And today Monty came to the society park to wash his cycle. Monty attached his pipe to the water tap in the society park and started washing the cycle with great care.
Today my cycle will get washed and mummy will not even notice. Because today I am washing it outside the house.
The tap was continuously open, due to which a lot of water got wasted and collected in the entire park. After some time, Gattu Chinky also came to the society park to play. And seeing them, Monty thought of a prank.
Gattu, look over here.
As soon as Gattu heard Monty's voice and looked behind, Monty made a water gun from the pipe and started to wet him.
Monty, stop it. Otherwise I am going to complain to your mother.
Monty did not stop. Even now Monty was wasting a lot of water. Chinky got angry and came forward to take the pipe from Monty. But then she also fell in the water pit. And seeing Chinky, Monty started laughing even more.
Monty, turn off the tap. Look, because of you the whole garden is full of mud. Chinky, I really like playing with water in the seat. Come on guys. Come, you guys also have some fun.
And saying this, Monty started continuously spraying water on Gattu Chinky. Gattu angrily grabbed the mouth of Monty's pipe with his hand, because of which the water pressure increased. And then suddenly the pipe burst out of the tap and water started flowing out with great force. Seeing this, Monty got scared and ran away from there.
Hey, Monty ran away. We should also leave. Else everyone will think that we have made the park muddy. Yes, you are saying the right thing. Let's go.
Gattu Chinky ran towards their house. And all the water of the society main tank washed away because of Monty's prank and cycle.
What have you two done with yourself? Did you go to play or take a bath?
Mummy went inside in anger without saying anything and brought a towel for Gattu Chinky.
Take this now and clean yourself and then enter the house. Understood?
Gattu Chinky cleaned themselves with the towel and went inside the house and changed their wet clothes. After some time, Mummy saw that the water in the kitchen has stopped.
Hey, what happened? The water is not coming in the kitchen. What will happen now?
Then Papa also came out of the bathroom and started asking Mummy, "Why did the water stop? I had just started taking bath. Now how do I wash out this soap?" Gattu Chinky started laughing seeing Papa wrapped in soap bubbles.
Stop laughing, both of you. There is no water in the kitchen too. Let me ask in the society group, has everyone's water finished or just ours?
Mummy, there is no need to ask in the group because the water in the whole society's tank has finished.
What? What are you saying?
Yes, Mummy, Gattu is absolutely right. Monty has wasted all the water in the society's main tank while washing his cycle with the tap. He was the one who soaked us all.
What should I do? There must be some water in the house.
Now just clean your body with a towel. I will call society secretary and tell him about this incident. This Monty's mischiefs are increasing.
Mummy went to make a phone call and Gattu Chinky gave the towel to Papa.
Papa, today you have made a new record of bathing without water.
Give me the towel, kids. This is not the time to joke. Running out of water is a very serious problem. Papa took the towel and went to bathroom. Here Mummy called the secretary uncle.
Hello? Secretary sir? Do we really run out of water in the tank?
Yes, someone has left the tap of the society park open, because of which the whole tank has become empty.
What will happen now? Life will stop without water.
Gattu was feeling very thirsty. As he went and tried to take out water from the filter, only half a glass of water came out of the filter.
Oh no, my thirst will not be quenched with half a glass of water. Mummy, I want to drink more water. Now there is no water in the whole house. I had told both of you to fill water from the filter and keep it in the fridge. But both of you did not listen to me and went to play. Now stay thirsty like this. Kattu, do as Mummy is saying. Otherwise, if she gets angry, then you will not even get breakfast.
Gattu stopped insisting on water after hearing the name of breakfast. Papa was also checking for water updates in the society group. Everyone is worried without water. Now it seems we will have to order a tanker in the society.
Yes, once the tanker comes, the problem will be solved. Let's have breakfast until something happens. It was good. I got up in the morning and made breakfast. Yes, Mummy. I am starving now.
Saying this, Chinky quickly took a bite of the sandwich kept on the table. But after a while, her mouth started burning. Hey, what happened, dear?
Papa, I ate chili by mistake.
Oh, bring water quickly.
From where? There is not even a drop of water in the house. Mummy, my mouth is burning a lot. Wait, dear, I'll do something.
Mummy quickly went to the kitchen and brought sugar and put it in Chinky's mouth. And in a little while, the burning sensation in Chinky's mouth subsided.
Oh, it is difficult to stay even for a minute without water. God knows how the whole day will pass.
Hey, don't worry. All the people in the society have together called for a tanker. Message has just come to the group.
Oh wow, when will the tanker arrive?
It will come at 4 in the evening. Be ready, kids. The number of members in the house will be the same as the water they get. Means we have to store 4 buckets of water.
But how will Gattu Chinky lift the bucket? No, Mummy. We will fill our share of water ourselves from the tanker. Yay! This is not a joke. How will you both lift such a big bucket? Don't worry, Mummy. We have an idea.
After this, Chinky went inside and brought 2 mini buckets and said,
I and Gattu will fill our big buckets from this mini bucket. But we will store our share of water ourselves, Mummy.
Wow, kids. Come on, the tanker is about to come. Gattu, Chinky, Mummy, Papa all reached the society garden with their buckets respectively. And as soon as the tanker came, first of all Gattu, Chinky filled their small bucket and kept the bucket aside and then went to help Mummy, Papa. And then Monty also comes there with his bucket.
Oh no, this line is so long. I will do one thing. Gattu and my bucket is of same color. So I will exchange it.
And seeing this opportunity, Monty exchanged his bucket with Gattu's full bucket.
Hey Chinky, see how did my bucket get empty? Yes, Gattu. How did this happen? Was your bucket broken? No, Chinky. I checked before the lane. I think this act must be of Monty. He must have ran away with your bucket. This Monty? I will not leave him. Leave it, Gattu. You fill the bucket again. Today I understood so much hard work is required to get single drop of water. Yes, Gattu. Today after filling water we understood that water should not be wasted.
Mummy Papa became happy after listening to kids.
Good. Today the storage of water taught this important lesson to kids.
Yes, and now see how thoughtfully Gattu is using the water from his bucket. Everyone took their buckets and went home. After going home, Papa took some water from Gattu's bucket and splashed on his face and said, Oh, it's very hot today. Then Gattu spoke in anger.
Papa, you cannot waste my water. We have to keep this water till tomorrow.
Seeing this, all three started laughing looking at Gattu.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.